Hi, I'm Terry Meyer. I'm CEO of Allways Precision. In 2022, when the investment was made to Allways, we immediately invested for growth, which required facilities, people. So we established a culture around 4 basic pillars: a growth mindset, invest in our people, continuous improvement, and a new pillar, which is a 360-degree full comprehensive support of our customer. By 360 support, what we mean is full comprehensive parts, services, machines, technology, segments, anything that a customer would need to get the full utilization of what we sell. We've invested heavily into our field support. We feel we have more people in the field servicing our products than anybody in the industry, which allows us to be incredibly reactive to immediate needs, as well as planned preventive maintenance type schedules that our customers desire. We've evolved our internal skill set from not only being able to build the machine, but also looking at it from our customer standpoint about how to run our machines and how our machines affect their operation. So we've dedicated a lot of investment to understanding how to run our machines like a customer would run our machines. And that's paid off very much in solving our customers' challenges in their operations.
So I'm Drew Daugherty. I'm the National Business Development Manager for Allways Precision. My favorite part about working at Allways Precision is being able to go in and work with the customers and find a solution to make their products better. Whether it be, that the parts are out of tolerance or they're not getting the production speed that they need and they need more uptime. We go in and we make a custom solution for every single customer. Our typical process when working with customers is first just understanding everything about their business. What are they really looking to accomplish? Whether that be more output so they can sell more parts, or whether they're just having tolerance issues, we're going to go in and look at each thing individually and see what we can do to craft a machine that's going to really fit their specific needs. One thing that separates Allways Precision apart from its competition is just the amount of spare parts that we have on hand. We have over $3 million of parts in inventory right now, and that's 3,000 different part numbers. So if you're ever looking for a part, a lot of times, even if you think that you're not getting it from us, you probably are, because we are the ones that have the most parts in the world.
Hi, I'm Alex Vanderberg, Commercial Manager here at Allways Precision. At Allways Precision, our goal is to build the best centerless grinder on the market. A key part of what we do is understanding our customers' unique needs. Our goal is to tailor make our solution to fit their exact need. So even though we produce a lot of very similar machines, each machine is essentially dialed in for each customer's specific needs. That's what I think makes us unique in terms of being able to give our customers the best possible solution. And so we understand that these are investments for our customers, and those investments need to provide a good return. If they don't, then it doesn't make sense. So for us, our goal is not only to build the best technical machine, but it also needs to make financial sense for our customers.
At our core, Allways Precision is a machine builder, but to really solve all of our customer problems, we have to be much more. We need to be a customer partner. And with that partnership comes many responsibilities of keeping our machines running and impacting our customers' operations. We have spent so much time trying to build our organization on paper, but when you look at each one of those organizational boxes, it's got to be top talent to fill every one of those roles. And again, whether that's somebody that's out in the field repairing our machines, or whether that's an engineer that's involving in inventing the next generation machine, it starts with just attracting the top talent.
At Allways Precision, we've been around for 30 plus years building the world's best centerless grinders. We're looking forward to another 30 years with our great customers. Manufacturing is all about getting smarter. In manufacturing, making the machine smarter is the biggest trend in terms of driving productivity for our customers. By incorporating advanced sensors, we're able to leverage machine learning to continue to enhance productivity. That is a huge focus for us at Allways Precision of how do we keep advancing manufacturing technology to be on the cutting edge, so we're delivering not just the best solutions for our customers, but for our future customers as well. If you're not moving forward, you're going backwards.